This is a 55-inch Hisense TV, and it's a black screen. It just turns on just like this, but then it turns off. So I'll be checking to see what's going on with this. To take off the back here, there's these outer screws. But with this, you can just kind of pull it up. And then we have all the goodies inside. So I opened it up here, and the funny thing is that it keeps on restarting. All the lights are actually good. We can see right here that it keeps on restarting. Goes on, restarts. What could be wrong? So the only culprit can be is this main board here. And I'm looking at these capacitors, and they do have a little bulge on the top. You can't really see, but these two guys, I think I'm going to replace that and see if that fixes it. So these capacitors here are 10 microfarad and 350 volts. So I'll see if I can get a replacement for those. So here I have these two capacitors here. I'm going to take them out. These side of them here. That's one. So here I have it tested, the old capacitor right here, and it's saying that it has an ESR of 0.1K, and that should be 0. So this capacitor is for sure shot. I have some replacement ones we can test out. This one right here, you can see that this has it 3.3 ohms, so it's a lot better. It doesn't have the bulge, so we can use that one. So after replacing these two caps here, the TV turns on continually. So learn something new. Sometimes you don't have to take off the screen. Is disconnect this ribbon cable to your T-con board and to see if it does that cycle. And if it still does it cycle, then the problem is probably with the main board. And I replaced those two caps. There we go. It's working good. Just go down into settings and picture settings. And you want to make sure that your TV is not on brighter. Just go to normal, and it will make your TV last a lot longer. So even though I didn't have to take off the screen, I did find out a little hack about how to take off the screen using a more efficient way. So the trick that I'm using to take the screen off with the bezel so that we don't have to re-glue it on is I'm using playing cards, and I'm just prying up with a butter knife on the edges here, and when it comes up attached to the screen, I put in a playing card so it doesn't fall back. And then just using a regular old butter knife, you just go along the edge when you get it up at the front, and then you just pry it along, And because there's these little indentations right here, you can see there's a little indentation there, and then later you can put the card in so it doesn't fall back. Just keep on going around the outside. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.